Awukho mubi ne. Ulayekile.
I-30 zakhala uthamile uvayo.
Makhohlwa.
Yo, makahambi.
Uthiphe lesicathulo njengamasenda.
Hey bana. Hey bana.
Noma uthanda khipha le ngoma le ethi water unmotivated ukuthi nigezene.
Yes.
Siyadlula
Izala.
Ungazongibamba.
Bela shayitobetha.
Pass. Yazwa ikuki yakhe ivuleke njenge hangela yona.
Fusek. Ubuso bomnyama.
Sondeza camera bheka insila bheka insila.
Mina sengimangela abogogo sebaletha izinto zabo la. Wayisingale nemikhovu guys.
Wena yazi company ngawo. Uphela njenge grocery mase kuzophela inyawo.
Like wena boy, angazi uchaze bani and umhlophe yakhe ngathi indune alpine.
Bheka.
Wait.
Mina khona
Smash.
hayi ngeke ngismash.
Why?
Ngokucala la ipark masifika kunuka ikuku. Kodwa so smash.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Angiyakuza ukhuluma ngomdido nokayo. Lapho uyacreama ngicela ngibhekene ubuso nezandla. Yini unyawo
Bro, she
phezulu
ain't
wena?
even capping. Oh my.
Uyaba?
No, he's working hard.
Working hard la.
Wena unjani la?
Bheka kanjani unjani ngathi bamshaye ngechakhulu so. Into yokuqala babothokile labantwana abasitshela abasitshela.
Ayidula tanga.
Yangihlekisa noma kangakhulula iphenti kushona abantwana babantu emasayidini.
Bafethu sixolise ne labantu ngiyayithanda friendship yabo. The way body count yakhona ngathi i-payment kaLamine Yamal.
What she saying? My phone on D&D. I got too many hoes. She go pull up on me. She go pull up on T. What? Nigga don't know what you say about me. Nigga be talking about me. He got that sway for me. We be like laughing at a joke. My nigga here pull up with a ghost. My bitch she can't say sober. Thumbs up.
Started. Yeah, so khuluma president. Asilinde no president. Qedile president. Okay. Hey yo, what's going on? It's about Kenji, aka Mr. Go Getter himself. You feel me? We're operating as a Smash Up Pass Real Life Edition episode. We don't know. So it's Mummies, Neitabane versus the boys. Hey, it's the Mummies versus the boys. You feel me? I bet, and this is Sekrizani. Yeah, Sekrizani, and I'm not alone. Who am I here with? It's Zinja.
Hey yo, what's going on YouTube people? This is your boy, you president Puto Reflector, Tractor Stone, ya Selector, Bandwana, ya Tractor, Yazi Gwenzagalan. And we back again with another video. Yo, I surely miss me on this channel, Baba.
It's been a minute.
Yeah, Peseban. Kamba Novani.
Hey yo, what's up YouTube? It's your boy Lupi Mole and welcome to his YouTube channel. Before I'm saying, yes, see, we're here with another banger, baby. You. Yeah, it's a banger.
Bombastic side eye. Criminal offensive side eye.
Haremoli. Sorry, man. Sorry, president.
It's a bang. It's the camera guy, ain't not much to say. Let's work. So where do we start?
Let's get it cracking. I don't know. Do you wanna start? I pay.
Rock,
No rock, paper, scissors. You wanna start?
You wanna start?
Nick.
Where am I here with?
Awechi. What's up YouTube? It's your boy Polio G Sweet Pulo Abantwana. Uyaz. Sibangene ke.
Let's get them boys in.
Everyone has their own morning ritual. Lately, I like to start my day with a couple of quick trades on Pocket Broker. I open the charts, test simple strategies. It takes no more than 15 minutes, but it helps me get into the rhythm of the day. And sometimes even make a little profit right away. Let me show you what I mean. I'm opening a trade right now. Okay. And there we go. Haha, a successful trade. It's simple, fast, and everything happens directly on the screen. And the best part, Pocket Broker really lives up to its name. It's a pocket-sized platform that's always with me. I can open it on my phone while I'm on the go, or on my laptop at home. No restrictions, just get yourself an internet connection and you can trade anywhere, anytime. On iPhone, I can even add it directly to my home screen. Just tap share, add to home screen, and the Pocket Broker's icon appears instantly. And for Android users, there's also an app available on the Play Store. But what I really like is the community. Pocket Broker believes trading is better when you are not alone. There is always someone online, no matter the time zone, to share a trading idea or ask a question. The platform also has a referral program, Pocket Friends. You invite a friend, they deposit and get 100% bonus, plus a cancel loss up to $100. And you receive $100 on your balance. The platform is intuitive with built-in tips and tutorials for beginners. Withdrawals are commission-free in your preferred currency. Everything is fast and simple. That's why Pocket Broker is perfect if you value freedom and mobility. Follow the link in the description, use my promo code LILJUN4 and get 100% bonus on your first deposit. Try it yourself and see how trading feels when it's always with you. Verified accounts protect your funds, only you can withdraw your profits. And the platform uses a 256-bit double SL encryption, the same standard as major banks. Pocket Broker is officially licensed by the FSCA. This means the platform follows strict government rules designed to protect users' money. So guys, make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe. I love you people. I'll see you in the next video. Make sure you go start trading yourself.
Hello. Right. I pass. My edge is not doing it. Yabo. Hello. Right. Nangaki. Wena. Hey, pass. That's who yam. And onamang. Njam lumuntu. At lumuntu na.
Wena unangaki?
Yabo man.
No, you don't judge. You don't judge.
Hello, right. Now like pass ne. Uba now mncane. Hello, right. Pass ne. No beef ne.
Pass, why? You have to have a reason.
Lip glossy, hairstyle.
No, kuyashisa. Yamfanele.
Oh, itype yakho.
Mina nginatype.
Yabona wena awukho mubi ne ulayekile. Yabona if basi lento ikhulumayo bekuyi knowledge yakho kube ne IQ level very high.
Hey bana. Ayakuzwela siswami, that's why I pass.
Hey bana.
Umuntu ongana father figure ngibona.
Speaking of dads, wena una?
Mina ngangibona ngenje.
Ay no mama ungathawunayo. Ngibona ngama edges. Yo. Sisi pass yekuforce ne. Ngoba ngiyabona namalesha ya force. Like ne lip gloss like ishina kakhulu.
Lensile yakho wena. Empilweni anyeke mamela wona.
Ngani?
Woza mamela. Yabona wena empilweni anyeke uzube successful, yazi why? Cindezela ilensila. Yabona mangageza.
Wena uyayibona wena lensila.
Nana sizobana. Ubuye kuphikisa.
Ngikubuza vele basebenzisana vele ukenza lama edge.
Wena ungagezi ngayo.
Sunlight. Basebenzisa ama sunlight vele.
Iduru ukudlula lensipho esebenzisayo.
Mina ngisebenzisa iProtex vele wena uvuka ngayo ulala ngayo vele sunlight. Hayi ama gentle magic one.
Wena uyabona
hayi sisi. Mina ukrima izinto zakho lezi zinto zokrima. Yo. Into bengisayisho ukuthi imele ngiphase la ngoba ukhuluma kakhulu. Oh my god. Awuzazi nokuzazi ukenzakalani la ushaya sundress nama slippers wewinter. Kenzakalani? Hayi sisi thula hayi waste of time. Oh. Isho le ngathenga le outfit yakho le.
Lena. Le?
Yini ke?
Lena.
Yini?
Ijosh. Yashishiliza la lebhola lakhona.
Toshishizeza ile nto yakho le edlula wonke umuntu la. Hello right. Pass ne ngoba ngathi vele uhamba naye. Ola jam.
Like guys,
Ngitsheliwe yimi or ubona kanjani?
Wait guys, ngicela ni like yabo.
Angisho like ngifuna ukuyibamba ngoba ngathulele.
Ngivukekayo.
Uvukile wena mawuzibhekile.
Siswami. Ngicela uhambe uyochina before uzochina. Bese
mangichina kenza
uzongithengela.
Yakugeza. Mina.
Awunamali vela.
Ubona kanjalo wena. Ilokuthi wena uzi-afford
Ngolile la salula.
Tang relax, tang zuluritsa tang. Ungasabola jam. Siswami ngicela uyochina before ukhuluma ne. Azini pass.
Leteki uthenga temu.
Oyila uthenge khona
La wangwathi.
Masipho samakoko.
Temu cabanga uthi amajore netemu jo.
Wena uyizwe plentu le. Hayi. Wena mele uhambe la udingeki la ngiyakubona udingeka lapha emahlabhini estation. Olentana yami umnandi. Ngimnandi ntana yami aphasi nje ngithola kunapife ngisema. Oy. Mnandi. Phasi nje ngithola. Umnandi tanga. Yini ngathi uyatatazela? Ukrel. Mina ngiyatatazela. Bheka izandla zakho tanga. Hayi wala ntana yami. Ubani tanga? Awazi. Angiyabona vele nabazali bakho nje bakushiye eminyangweni womunye umuntu nje. Mina ntana yami nginawo baba hawubhati wena. Bheka wena bakushiye angazi unangakhi. Bheka nephathi yakho angazi yanini lephathu. Yini yona le? Ifana nawo asikazi. Pass. Izinji umnandi nje. Yakena phasi nje. Angithola. Phasi nje. Kayi nje. Phasi nje. Ukhuluma nami.
Ngithi mina kuthi Jordan lejo ngabantu.
Jonga mina. Awona ubani wena ungakubheka la ukayi.
That's why awujwayela into ezinje uyaqala ukuzibona. Ulala.
Sisi mina ngithanda mayelo bona izinto ezimbashile.
Yelo bona ungaqala lapha umnyama so.
Akajika eZimbabwe.
Uqala kwagezi. Ugezi ngevaseline weyoshana.
Cela ningibhekisise kahle nibheke yena nibone ukuthi ubani ongacobisa ngevaseline.
Uye.
Mina ngikobisa ivaseline siswami hayi ivaseline.
Chop right. La.
Kanjani?
Awusiqedile. Afila. Awushaya out. Hey. Bamdlile yong. Bayamkhashulile. Molly dog. Let's get it. Who you going with? Oh yeah, Siva.
Hello, Tando. Bryce, how are you?
Hey yo, what's good? It's your pizza girl connected back with more Tech Vibes. Ishi
type shit.
Hello. Right.
Pass. What's your pass? Listen.
Hi, next.
Kulumwasa.
Hi, pass.
Yeah? What's your pass? No, for respond.
Why?
Pass. No reason. Respectful.
Smash.
Ngiyapasa vele. Wena uphasa egezeni. Smash.
So qedile. Okay, wait right now. Breezy. Wait right now. Wait, singapha uzofa now.
Yeah. Bafethu nakena msubscribe lapho nomfana no section TRS. Kupuli vivid. Ukraine.
Sharp.
Morizini vele pass. Zibuze waye ukuthi pass. Angikhalelanga zibuze. Vela ngikhaleleki. Ona taste. Vele tasa ngipass. Nami mina kube intombazana nje ngifana nawe bengizoba nethemba shema. Bekumubi kanjani siswami? Amachi no gijima. Kwantu wanjisana
Ngena vele lapho.
Athini mayisilenda lo. Ngithi aphule le mila again.
No.
cishe ngidlule ngidlule vele responda
Ubumnyama bakalo once kwaba mnyama nje la ngeke abonakala. And wo makancane. And mawuthi uthatha uyabheka ne. Mina na njengoba uthakana taste ungena taste.
Mangathi ulimbobo yakho la ikhamisile ngathi imbobo yasemayi. Ukhulume kakhulu nawe sami.
Hello.
Great. Nayo. Hello.
Hey, camera ori.
Thini manje makhuluma kakhulu idatha lapho. Ngibuze Great, smash.
Okay.
Sometimes.
Uthini wena?
Khuluma.
Okay.
Oh, uthini awuthini?
Uthingani?
Pass. KG.
Sure.
Awumubiso.
Hayi tanga mara.
Ipike piece namhlanje. Ipike piece namhlanje.
Shell babakho.
Unayo baba, ngisho ukuthi ushell baba.
Ungalisi imbawo tanga.
Yo.
Iteti zakhala uthamela uvayo. Ngakhohlwa. Makahambi. Uyakhuluma ukubona makahambi.
Ngabizile khathi tanga. Ngizolo tanga.
Bekumbasha umuntu. Mnikeni impando guys. Guys ngicela subscribe. Subscribe yeni lapho lo muntu akanantsipho. Akana vasi lapho. Akana nendlu ulale emadustbin lo muntu lo.
Ngomsele khathi.
Awungathi ngiyaphaphisa ngizala ngokuphapha la KG. Angiyazi nali brand. Hello, bhuti wami na Khambani. Ukraine.
Ukraine.
Mnandi. Ngiyakubona unabile no beef no cheats. Yabona mhlaba. Angina cheats. Oh, hayi man ungathi ngaze ngibhamulo. Ngakhohlwa phela.
Singapha.
Bekile yeyika. Khuluma. Bhuti kakhuluma.
Uzofika.
Safika.
Deshena ngamanzi.
Yo.
Gize ngamanzi anganansipho lo.
Hey guys, don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to turn that notification bell so that you can find out next time Kenji drops. Do you know what I'm saying? Where we at? Swung up, hello, right.
Hey, what's good YouTube? It's a Peter KB with more excruciating things. Is she? Hello.
Hi.
Shop. Boating again. Let's go to the shy stands.
Yo.
Hello.
Yo.
Shop.
Great.
Boating ale.
Ngithi movie, umekabi. Awuna tasty. Cela udlule ngathi apho.
Sipende sicathulo njengamasenda.
Jo.
What's your wish list? Like mshanje empilweni. I'm sure nokuba mude kukhona ne.
Buya la. Hello, buya la. Wobaleka imali abakubone. Ungazinzi muhle ngathi. Koqala uma engathi ibiltong.
Mawuthi uthatha uyabheka njengoba uthi ngome ngathi ibiltong phakathi kwale jini yabona nedipinda yona kasoje.
Hey bana.
Hey bana. Pass.
Osoqedile awinga la ubalandi. Okay guys, don't forget to subscribe. Nangifila uyabona ukuthi kushisa kanjani. You can see guys, subscribe and watch the ads. Do you know what I'm saying? Where you at? That side. Hey Debza.
Hey yo, what's good YouTube? It's already Debza and TNT. You all going to blast to feel it.
Yeah, my boy.
Smash.
Lautinda.
Pass.
That's why reason. What's pass now?
J. Pass.
Okay guys, don't forget to subscribe. Video, mama. So weird.
Hey, shubile manje sikuphi manje? Where are we? The side ne. How Naomi. Your girl from TikTok.
Hey yo, what up YouTube? It's a girl Naomi. When you see this face, you know it's all about the bangers. Asamben sobona lemko. Hello.
Hello.
Unjani?
Ngiyaphila wena.
Lo uyabonakala ukuthi amanzi akadlula itherapy. Hello.
Please umthatha phi mntwana omncane? Uthini umntwana?
Angimsheli umntwana.
Hello. Hamba. Hamba phala. Ubani isikhathi? Ubani isikhathi? Ilanga lasho. Ilanga lasho.
Hello. Na guys, na ikabuka isimesho phansi.
Babu jish.
Spatel.
Chance.
White pass. Fair. Smash. Hello. Right. Ngikhuluma ngomlomo ngiphendula ngomlomo. Hello. Ngikhuluma ngomlomo. Hello. Right.
Ngishapha bona.
Fair. Hello. Noma uthanda khipha le ngoma le ethi water unmotivated ukuthi nigeze ne.
Yes. Guys, no. Ngizokufakela ini? Ntwalo. Kanjani nabantwana ezulwini? Khuluma nawe kahle. Mayela abantwana abasezulwini abayi10 yobayenzela nini usika?
Let's umuntu odlule abortion yambona abnormal siyadlula
izala
ungazongibamba
amabela shayitobetha
ngicela ujikile ungazongiphephela ngaleso sikhathi igirlfriend yakho amabela wakhe ayale ungazongitshela kabi sengiyazi. Hello. Pass respectful. Pass respect. Qokale.
Amara sinasikhathi uzobuya sinama video awu3. Sobuya. Sikuphi manje? Where are we? This side ne? Sikubani? Ayayayaya, Vetis.
What's up bafethi it's your boy bafethi feature sekuyaziwa akuliwa kuyageziwa namapitito makhona yaphuziwa asibalandini. Hello. What's up? Smash. Hello. Right. Sharp. Smash. Hello. Right. Smash. Hello. Right. Pass. Yazi why? Bona ukwazi ukutshela abanye ukuthi mabambe bawogeza kodwa inakho insili iphumana ngomlomo.
Jo. Wena. You will never be high. Phela sinikeza umama ke spice ngoba ububi bakhe baba njengawe.
Hello. Right. Pass.
Okay, what?
Yazi why ikuki yakhe ivuleke njenge hangela yona.
Ngoba ujwayela.
Ucamothi mina ngadle into edliwa ama Nigeria.
Yo. Ngibona kanjani?
Nikhasi bona kanjani?
Yo. Noma ngayenza skin care.
Beka.
Skin one care. Woza la, mamela. Ukhuluma kakhulu uyaphapha. Uyaphapha ne? Ubuso bakho obudlula ne-Epimax.
Yazenzani? Hamburgers. Hamburgers.
Bese yini le? Wow, yini le? Utshela abantu ukuthi bageze lapho nensile brown la.
Bheka insila nayi, bhekani. Sondeza camera, bheka insila, bheka. Bheka insila lento leyo. Akusokumbashi insila. Hamburgers, angidli, hamburgers, angidli.
Mina ngicela ukubuza ugezile namhlanje.
Ya ngigezile.
Ugeze ngayo.
Wona, umnandi?
Angimnandi.
Smash.
Hey bana. Hey bana.
Umnandi. Smash.
What fun.
Afethi.
Oh wow.
Okay. Etaka. Pass.
Smash.
Bonani uyahleka bakuzale bakuphika so uzolahlekela la ku smash pass.
Understand ukuthi ispantsula noma yini.
Ispantsula wena ugcokeni wena. Istariyani wena ugcoka istariyani. Ugcoka istariyani nempahla bakubolekile. Hayi.
Dlula nje yami uzoqhubisa ne-iPhone.
Hayi lo mchiti smash amachita. So where are we sila? Smash.
What's good, YouTube? It is okay. I am the goats because everything that I do, I become goated. Ufuna kamera? Asam.
Marage. Urulash.
Hello.
Hello.
Alright. Nshab, pass. Respectfully, ne? Yeah.
Okay.
Hayi nami pass.
All right? Pass me. Respectful, Mntwana. Hello.
Sure.
All right?
Kube kupasa wona kuqala esikolweni.
Next.
Asho ngo next lapha. Serious? Serious? Pass ne? Yeah, pass.
Nam pass shem.
Like
Kuningi.
All right?
Ngishapho wena.
Ngishapho bani igama lakho?
Ufresh.
Ubani?
Ufresh kaziwa.
Uyabonakala ukuthi
Ubani?
Angise wena sikina
Na uthi ubani?
Ufresh.
Ufresh.
Yeah.
Mina sengimangela abogogo sebalethe izinto zabo la. Why sidlala nemikhovu guys? Why nilethe into nje la? Wena uzodlala vele la?
Kanti cabangani?
Ngadibeka ethi
Angicabangi ngiyabuza.
Uyothengisa ingwa.
Bheka ngithi wena bo straight ekseni.
Khuluma naye uzobuya kimi ngisaba.
Makayenzani?
Baka yo straight ekseni.
Wena ubaza ba stripper. Uyabonakala umntana okhula abazali bakhe bangamfundisi ngesex.
Bheka ngithi uyazi kangcono ukudlula mina so ingakuyala namanje
Wow, angiyazi kangcono. Yazi bathini?
Babakho.
Yazi bathini? Bathi mfundisi iqala ekhaya. Anyeke uzufike la ukhulume ngesex bese hello. Alright. Pass ne. Ngathi umncane. Ane, unangaki? Alright? Pass ne.
Anam pass jo.
Hazel. Come. Next grand. Now pass. And you finish by the way. Yeah. Hi pass. Hello. Guys. Pass ne.
Hayi nami pass.
Anything enifuna ukuyikhuluma guys nizoyisho lena ne? Yeah. Hello. All right. Ngishapho na ukho mnyama so grey black and black.
Yazi lentini iyangicaka le ukuthi nizela namavaskoti into zokupheka lezi nazo lapho sineshopes kanti ninjani?
Oh, mali ndestakad.
Yeah.
Mali ndestakad.
300.
300.
Yeah. Speeds.
Less.
Yeah.
Bese ngathi se 50 rand.
No.
Na ngifuna ukubana pe ungikhipela lento engakanyanga.
Yeah.
Hayi. Bye bye.
Wena umubi yo.
Wena umuhle yo.
Yo wena umubi shemway.
Wena bazalwa phana bona ufuna ukukhomba estradini.
Uthini?
Njoba nizala sinathula ama babysitter.
Ama babysitter ukhuluma ngani? Nobusa ngathi imfene.
Yabona kanti bayo nje. Ngona kulo boba.
Yabona wena noma bangathi committed crime, you will never be wanted.
Yo. Okay, siyakuzwa kusukele la kunuka udoti since kufike wena.
Nuka le brook lakho nje uhlangahlangena uexist.
Knife le.
Knife.
Knife ne? Ngiyayibona wena nje.
No, kufike late lo. Ufike late ku-smash and pass.
I am.
Hey uyasho uzufikile ne?
Ngigezile amazinyo.
Yeah. Ngiyabona.
Ungawaka useza ufikanga ne?
Yeah, ngiseza ngibona sofikile.
Mina ngifikanga, ngiyadlula.
Okay, dlula.
Yeah, bye bye.
Hey, like, share, comment, subscribe afethu asinasikhathi. Where are we? Sila. Shorty the shorts. 2,000 now, 2,000 now.
Yo, what's good YouTube? It's up kitchen mfano mfisha no mutenga ngqondo. Come on. Pass. Akangichazi. Come on. Pass. Comment ngithule ngidlu.
Ngicabanga ukenzani?
Ngicabanga ngithule. Marksena la.
Hello.
Right.
Sabena.
Great. Smash. Hello.
Hello.
Right.
Yaphila.
Sure. Smash. Amarawo eat.
Cala kupla?
Ngicala la. Wena nothini? Ngingala masimba nokhuluma la.
Ngikhuluma amasimba mina. Ngive. Perfect.
Wena yazi khambani ngawo. Uphela njenge grocery mase kuzophela inyanga.
Boy. Ngaleso sikhathi leyo grocery leyo kube kuthengele enye ikhavela because hayi sesikhathela.
Usile leskipe siphela ikhala, simhlophe mara siphela ikhala.
Uthi leskipa lesi singalungisa ifuture yakho.
Sikhathele leske kunini uza ngaso siyakubona uyafeba ngaso.
Yo. Yini leli khanjisa afeza amaphupho okubamba iPhone ongekho uzithwala.
Yo. Namatoko kuyogijima.
Mawuthi uthatha ukubhela amateki lawo athenga lawo makhavela athenge nalamakasi.
Lapho ugcoke nekepisi. uyintombazana na
Boy. Timbone yakho.
straight cap no atsisikile sobuya
Okay, guys, don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can find out next time Kenji drops. Do you know what I'm saying? Where you at? We have a. No, it's not how much. Coco.
Hey yo, what's good uship isopo cooking my can mistake K32 abantwana nawe yazi awukhona halu ngomanje angizanga ngokuninga ne pass
What's it pass?
Pass.
Hey, man, uyabanda lo mjita. Hayi, uyabanda. Sibona. Coco. Yange ngicolana.
Yila ngiwa, kokela ngiwa. Eyo, what's good Chupito boy, my kokumlando tenga funi king efuni kala kathi ngithi vele bese shuba ngempama ngithi shu. Ngizowatshela laba abangagezi abangalikeni ipafu namhlanje.
Ushawula into. Oh, hambela la.
Yeah boy.
Come on, don't
Ngimnandi. Maye la tangifile. Ngicabanga
suppose
ngicabanga ngaze ngizinze ngicabanga nata.
Usafuna le
yini umjida ukhula dinywele yini wabaheri lana entameni.
Kuyabonakala ukuthi awunababa awukazi wabona intshongo.
hey bana
Mangabo baba ngapho wakhe.
hey bana
Angikuzwa ntwana yami ngawo.
Babakha azangeza nasikhathi baze bakuzala isibedlela.
Mango baba ngapho wakhe ndoda umshiya ngale Zimbabwe.
Beka mehlo kuba ngathi amaqanda enkomo. Khona le trend abayishaya lapha ku YouTube le shulada wayengayiko isicathulo sakho khona sephethuke.
Ima siphethuke ngokuthi ifake tang. Siphethuke ngokuthi ifake.
Uhamba uthini ngalapha ezimo wena.
Ayisiyeke
Bilonga khona.
Wena bazokufakela nesipepers wena.
Ntwana yami.
Wena uhambi nge-30 uhamba nge-1. Abaphosa kuthanda ngakhona.
No cap nentwana yami. Hayi mfana. Akini mfana abakufihlelanga mfana.
Uzwa ngime ngilala. Abanga sayi social distance makumlomo uyanuka.
Yo.
And the prayer say it do not spray it ngoba nyayizwa lento ekhulumayo ifana ne-sanitize yanuka. Ngiyakubona uyadelela emavideo ngabumbashe. Chaza abantu la.
Isaso ngoba ngiyakubona uyasidinga mfana mama lips wakadra unayo into.
Adra intombazana mina nginayo. Yazi ujola nobani? Nengcwadi zabo ujola nani?
Nemali nje.
Ujola nemali. I1 rand. 1 rand ukusiza ngani?
Cabanga ama 1 rand unayo wena lapha epokoteni.
Anginayo vela amapokotho ama clean. A clean ngigezile nginuka grand. Awuna tangina cheats na. Le yama ngina cheats na. Aish. Mnanta.
Alimnandi.
Ngeke wayisa.
Yesha maji.
Camera ne uri uphe camera.
Umdlaza usike ngale angazi usukaphi Ethiopia or China uzala ku smash your pass angazi uchaze bani like wena boy angazi uchaze bani and umhlophe yakho ngathi indune alpine
Bheka wo Bheka nifisa nilight yasebenza bese sobona ngayo kulo
uthi na lo tanga akakhulumi nje uyakaka emlomeni bani yaphihliza bani yaphihliza lana ngitshitwa manginankinga yaqala
Lama ila uthi next la.
Lang ngakhula manyama
Yasosiqedile type shit. Sharp. Guys, like, don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to hit that notification bell. Do you know what I'm saying? Silabash. Watch the ads.
Lava ukhapha zinja manje. Hey, manana man. Yes. Yeah. Ngenana.
Yes, oh, abamba so.
Do the thing.
Buya round 2 Tingisha kokugcina. Hey yo, what's good you ship so boy cooking my can mistake K32 abantwana nawe yazi awukhona ha.
It's good YouTube is a boy Hazel 2.0 the killer, you know the vibes. Bafethu I got Ejo uthini bamaso?
Hayi la nginawo amagama amaningi la.
What she saying? My phone on D&D. I got too many hoes. Chico, pull up on me. Hot. Chico, pull up on T. What? Nigga don't know what you say about me. Nigga be talking about me. He got that sway for me. Hot. We be like laughing at a joke. My nigga here pull up with a ghost. My bitch, she can't say sober. Thumbs up.